Ready to turn your social media into a Temu treasure chest? Step 1. Niche down and know your audience. Don't just blast your Temu link everywhere. Are you targeting budget fashionistas, home decor enthusiasts, or tech gadget gurus? Understand their needs and tailor your content accordingly. Step 2. Content is king. Create captivating content that showcases Temu's value. This could be short, engaging TikTok videos of your latest Temu haul, aesthetically pleasing Instagram posts featuring Temu home decor, or in-depth blog reviews comparing Temu products to more expensive alternatives. Pro tip: ditch the Temu stock photos. Take your own high-quality photos and videos that highlight the product's best features. Good visuals are crucial for grabbing attention. Step 3. Engage. Engage. Don't just post and ghost. Respond to comments, answer questions, and run polls to understand your audience's preferences. The more interactive you are, the more trust you build, leading to more clicks on your affiliate link. Step 4. Track your results. Use Temu's affiliate dashboard to monitor your clicks, conversions, and earnings. Analyze what's working and what's not, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Test different content types and calls to action to optimize your performance. Step 5. Diversify your platforms. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Experiment with different social media platforms to reach a wider audience. What works on TikTok might not work on Facebook, so tailor your approach to each platform. Follow these steps, stay consistent, and watch your Temu affiliate earnings soar. Don't forget to subscribe for more affiliate marketing tips.